So this is how you could go viral on TikTok organically with your Shopify dropshipping product. Step one is you need to try and find a dropshipping product that's already gone viral on TikTok, and you can use a website like Sell Account to find proven viral products. And once you scroll through there and once you find a product, you want to search for that product name on TikTok and see if there's an account or multiple accounts that have already gone viral with that product. And once you've done that, you need to study the accounts that have gone viral with that dropshipping product, and it will come down to these things: the effects, how they've recorded the video, the voiceovers, the music. And once you've learned what's a constant theme throughout their videos, what made them so successful, you need to create 3 different TikTok accounts that you're going to be using to advertise that product organically. And you need to be posting 1 video a day, similar to how they're doing their videos, but you need to add a little twist to it, and you need to try and make that twist as dramatic as possible. Now, when it comes to making the content, you can either make it yourself by ordering the product and getting it delivered to your house, or you can hire an expert to make the content for you. And the key to this strategy is the more you post on those 3 different TikTok accounts, the more likely you are to go viral.